These 2 weeks, we have realized the Guastavino Volt, also called the Catalan Volt, a constructive method invented in the 19th century by this Mr. Guastavino, and but this method never became famous because of a lot of problems. And one of these problems was the cost of handwork. It's a vault made by 4 low arcs which form a low vault in the middle. For organize this workshop, we start in September, so a lot of months ago. First, the first week before the start of semester, and we do a model in a little model made of little tiles.
I'm here to collaborate and share from different perspectives with foreigners, with Italians and Switzerland. And I think it's a great opportunity to share, to exchange our ideas, to share our company with from diverse background with a lot of students here. We can build an arc or a Catalan vault without reinforcement or rebars. And we can also make an arc that is thin, that's lightweight, and that have considered structural integrity.
We are 14 SUPSI students, 13 are architects, and 1 is from visual communication. Then we have the teachers, 2 teachers that came with us, and 1 assistant. I think we can learn a lot from the Awassa students, and they can learn a lot from us. So it's a really great collaboration and really interesting.
I think there is no difficulties, generally, but in the construction there were difficulties mainly when we were building the wood frame, as I was one of the students who participated in building the wood frame. It was hard to connect the woods together, so I think that was the hard thing, and I don't think there's any hard things other than that.
The most challenging part of this workshop was maybe at the beginning the communication between us and the Ethiopian group, because we saw the project at the beginning of September, and we see how it works, and we arrived at already knowing what we had to do, and explaining that to them all the part was a bit difficult. We tend to talk in Italian instead of English, and as well them tend to talk in Amharic instead of English. And explaining them all the process was a bit hard, because in a strange way, at the beginning we struggle explaining how it works, all the system, and making the frameworks was really a challenge, because when you do that you don't see the final results, and working on something that you don't know can be really difficult.
The first time when we meet SUPSI students is a little bit afraid, because it was my first time to meet the students through projects in the university. So when we meet the first time, we meet at Zanzibar guest house, and we talk for some minutes, and we go to somewhere and visit the lake. At that time, we know each other.
Besides the construction, we have spent a lot of time within the SUPSI groups by playing games, by spending the time where to go in the hiking, and we have just a lot of time to spend together. I have created many friends from the subsi groups, and I hope it will continue after this project.
During the time out of the construction side, we also had the opportunity to build some relationship with the Ethiopian guys, because we had the chance to go all together into the swimming pool. We also had the chance to play together basketball and some other sports. Although we had a lot of time together during the breaks, in the evening and during the days.
No. Better than the whole of them, I got them for no. Anywhere we go, any place in our world, for the planet, we lock it. Ask your mother, ask your auntie, ask your father, ask your niece. For real. The ragamuffin me, I tell you, say, Yanis, I do a lock the street. Tell them, Skara. Because we hotter than tar, hotter than the hot sun. Then them boy disrespect, then them life it done. And we have the lyrics and now we have the fun. Make the people them a scream out loud, they can't done. And when them see we smile and sweat it all around. Love how we dance, and them love have fun. Dash where they bomb, them dash where they gun. Put up your